Experiencing Wi-Fi issues on your mobile device? Let's start with the simplest solutions. First, toggling your Wi-Fi is like a mini reset. Go to your device's settings, find the Wi-Fi option, turn it off, wait about 10 seconds, and then turn it back on. This clears any temporary glitches in the network connection. If that doesn't work, double-check your Wi-Fi password. Ensure you're entering it correctly, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. With the rise of stricter WPA4 encryption, password errors are more common. Also, confirm you are on the right network. Sometimes, you might be trying to connect to a neighbor's network by mistake. If toggling Wi-Fi and checking passwords don't solve the problem, the issue might be with DHCP or DNS. DHCP automatically assigns IP addresses to devices on the network. When a device connects, it broadcasts a DHCP discover message asking for an IP address from the DHCP server. The server responds with a DHCP offer containing an available IP address. The device confirms with a DHCP request, and the server sends a DHCP acknowledgement with the final IP configuration. This process ensures every device gets a unique IP address to communicate on the network. If DHCP fails, your device might show obtaining IP address indefinitely. One fix is to forget the network and rejoin it. Alternatively, set a static IP address in Wi-Fi settings with IP 192.168.1.x, gateway 192.168.1.1. DNS translates domain names like google.com into IP addresses. If DNS fails, you might see DNS probe finished no internet. To fix DNS errors, switch to public DNS servers like Google's 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1.